Hello guys, hope you all are well. I'm fine too. Today's video is about weather. We are notice that every day. Today same much temperature than other days. The temperature is increasing day by day. I tend to think everything is random. Okay, for instance, it's sunny on a rainy day and it's rainy on a sunny day. As a consequence, the people are getting sick. They are not good all. Okay, and people are going to worse degradation day by day. In this time we can many diseases, so subject to time we should take action and we should protection ourselves and we should take care of our body. Okay, finally, people of all religions will pay to creator as if we may have health. At present time we need to water, especially we need to more water in North Bangla, because farmer farmer of this area could not take enough water to the land. They suffer for water. Please pray for the farmer. Okay, bye.